Hey there. So the question says a trader's cost price rises by 10% every year, and he raises his selling price by exactly 10% every year as well, always starting from the same year one base. If his profit percentage in year one is 25%, what is the profit percentage in year five? So this question is, seems and looks pretty easy, and everybody will be, most of you will be doing it wrong, and that too confidently. This is a kind of question which everybody marks wrong confidently. So I want you to pause for a while, for 10 seconds, and try to find the answer. So start. Well, now you can come back and now you tell me what is the answer. Most of you must have marked 25% and it is wrong. I'll tell you why. So the cost price rises by 10% every year. So let's say if the cost price in the first year, I'm writing it CP1, is let's say 100, I can assume any value, right? Because uh, all the relative values are given over here, absolute value is not given. So I told you already, like in previous video as well, that if absolute value is not given, it's better to take something as 100 if you're dealing with percentages. Now CP5 every year increased by 10%. That means from first to fifth year there is a gap of 4 years. So 100 multiplied by 1.1 to the power 4. That is what we'll be getting, which is equal to 146.41 rupees. Okay. Now the problem here is that selling price starts, it increases on year one base. So it's not like compounding. CP is compounding, but selling price is not compounding. And that is where most of you would be going wrong. So SP1 will be 125 by because the profit in first year was 25%. 25% of 100 is 25. So SP1 was 125. And on this year base, if it increases by 10% every year, so point one is 12.5. Increment will be of 12.5 years every year till 50 years. So SP5, gap of 4 years, it will be 125 plus 12.5 four times, which gives us 175. This is the main problem in the question, which most of you might be getting it wrong. So the profit is selling price minus cost price. No need to, kind of say that again. So 175 minus 146.41. Okay, I'll just erase this. 175 minus 146.41. Whole upon 146.41 multiplied by 100 will give us the exact percentage value. So in CAT, you have calculator as well. If you try to find it, it'll be 19 point something. So we'll go for 19 to 20%. Now the options also in such a way that you can just approximate the values. Hope you enjoyed this question. Hope you enjoyed the trap which CAT can throw at you. Thank you.